Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I've made any videos, but I'm back now. The reason why I've been gone is because my life's been busy, but I'm back now and it's time for another video, finally. So anyway, this is going to be a test video of my new phone that I just got. And it's also going to be an update on the Chamberlain MyQ. Yep. You guys have seen this before if you've been watching my channel, but if not, then here it is. Unfortunately, the video footage is back to 1080p because my new phone does not have the 60 frames per second like my old phone did. So, anyway, this is Chamberlain, Wi-Fi, MyQ. And then, I don't know if you can see it on this side, but alright, here we go. It says MED, lift power system, and belt drive. But yeah. So here's this is the remote for it. You got learn, lock, there's your light right there. And then this is the open and close button. And the light button. See, if I press it once, it turns it on. And then when I press it again, it turns off. So now, let's open it. And then out here, this is the keypad. It's your instructions, just basic stuff. But I can close it from out here. But first, here's your sensors right here. Now, let's say if somebody walks by the sensor. I just turned the light off. If somebody walks by the sensor, see, the light's off, but watch what happens if somebody were to walk by. The light turns on. Alright, now we're going to close it from out here. But watch what happens, what I can do to make it open. Oh, I entered the wrong code, but I can't show you the code as soon as it clears out. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, whoops. There we go. See, it's closing, but watch what happens. What I can do to make it reopen. See? I just did a sensor safety test, and now the light's flashing. Just close up the keypad. Anyway, yeah, so the light was flashing. But, yeah, not too much to show, but anyway. Here's your rollers, as you can see. Here's your rail. But yeah, it's basically your garage door system. Now, let's close up the garage. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And that'll be it.